In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your American Express gift card online. First, it's important to ensure that you have your gift card handy. You're going to need the card details to complete the activation process. Now let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official American Express gift card website. You can do this by searching for American Express gift card activation in your preferred search engine. You'll want to click on the result that says American Express Registered Trademark Gift Cards vertical bar, activate a card. Once you're on the correct page, you'll notice there's a specific section dedicated to card activation. Make sure you're on a secure network and website as you'll be entering sensitive information. Next, you will need to enter your gift card information. Your first task is to type in the 15-digit gift card number. This number can be found on the front of your card. As you enter the numbers, ensure that you do so accurately, as any mistake here can delay the activation process. If you're unsure, double check by flipping your card over and reviewing the number again. After entering the gift card number, you'll proceed to input the card's expiration date. Typically, this is found right beneath the card number on the front. Be sure to enter both the month and the year in the specified fields. Remember, the expiration date is crucial as it confirms the validity of your card. Now you'll move on to entering the 4-digit CVV code. Keep in mind the CVV code is also on the front of your gift card, typically towards the right side or below the card number. It's essential for completing the activation process securely. Similar to before, recheck for accuracy since input errors here might prevent successful activation. Once all these details are properly filled in, including the gift card number, expiration date, and CVV, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on the Continue button. This will submit your information for verification. It might take a few moments, so be patient as the process completes. Once confirmed, your American Express gift card should be successfully activated, and you'll be able to use it just like a regular credit card for your purchases. If you face any issues during activation, ensure all information was entered correctly, and consider reaching out to American Express customer support for further assistance. And that's it! You've successfully activated your American Express gift card online. Enjoy using your gift card for shopping, dining, or whatever you choose. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.